Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings everyone. This is Fahila Saram, and thank you so much for all the love and the support that you showed on the last video. It was completely motivating and encouraging. So there will be more videos inshallah and pretty soon. So for today's product I have one of my favorite, and that is known as Ganoderma tea. This is Rishi Gano tea. Now we all love tea. If you are an Indian and अगर आप चाय पे चर्चा नहीं कर पाओ, then that's not fruitful. So of course definitely we all love tea, but we should take care that the tea we are having is a healthy one. See, whenever you take something, whenever you take some food in the body, please ask that food that if you are natural, if you are organic, if you are going to do good to my body, then only give it permission to enter into your body. Be it a thought or be it a food material, everything should have a permission to enter into your body. So definitely over here also, here we have Rishi Gano tea. If you are making a tea in a conventional format जहाँ पर आप दूध डालते हो, उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा उबालते हो, then I'm sorry my friend, आप आपके tea से सारे nutritional benefits निकाल देते हो. What you are having is basically living poison. What you are having is basically acidic chai, and that is going to do a lot of harm to the body. So here, that is why I have an alternative. This will promise you a lot of refreshing energy. At the same time, this will take care of any kind of digestive issues if you are facing, because such as acidity or something. If you have a very very hectic lifestyle, that is in case कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा काम रहता है ना, आपके लिए चाय या कॉफ़ी पीना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है to keep yourself awake and to keep yourself focused, then my friend, this is going to be a very good answer for you. Now DXN Gano tea, as you can see, it has flavored Ganoderma in it. I don't think if you go to the market and find any other tea which has Ganoderma in it. Speaking of Ganoderma, it is known as the king of herbs, Ganoderma lucidum. It has all the medicinal properties, it has all the nutritional properties, it is a great identifier, it is a great scanner, it is a great adaptogen for the body that will basically help your body adapt in its best way to the possible solution or the situation that is there outside. Okay, so in case you are facing a pandemic, in case you are facing a viral infection, this tea will actually help you. Ganoderma will actually help you. These are little ways in which we can incorporate Ganoderma in our lifestyle, in our food, and this will eventually help you. So yes, a quick way on how you can make this tea and it will be very very effective is that you can just boil some water, make it a good lukewarm water, and then you can just add a very little amount of the tea leaves which are there inside, and then just turn off the flame and then cover the lid over the vessel and keep it for around like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then you can use that concoction as your tea. Please don't add milk. Adding milk to tea is actually like turning off all the good properties of tea. So that is something which is not advisable. If you take this tea daily, there will be many health benefits that you will see yourself. You will feel energetic. If you have any kind of digestive issues, आपके वो problems भी solve हो जाएंगे. Other than that, it is a great refreshing agent. It also helps to manage your stress levels. So these are some little characteristics where a Gano tea plays a very important role. These are just small ways where you can actually use nature, where you can actually use good products to change your life, to change your health, and to incorporate steps towards your wellness. So in the end, I guess that's what matters, and this is my sweet message from me and my family towards you. We really want you to take Gano tea, Rishi Gano tea, and make little changes and go towards the health part. So that's it from me this time. Inshallah, I'll come back with more videos soon. Thank you so much. Take care.